Hello ma'am, it's Sanskriti Srivastava from class 5 C, roll number 41, admission number 968. So today I am present in front of you to explain you that how can we find or replace any word, sentence or a statement. Okay, so how can we find or replace any word, sentence or a statement? Let us begin. For example, I have taken a paragraph on the topic Ancient Egypt. I have taken a paragraph on the topic Ancient Egypt. Alright. So, it will only help us to know that how can we find or replace any word, sentence or statement. Alright. So, let us begin. Our first step is to go to the Home tab. As it is already opened in my screen, as you can see. Then go to the editing group. Then you will see an option find. Okay. Beside find, you will see a drop down arrow. Click on that particular drop down arrow. Now click on find. Okay. Now whichever word you want to search, you can search over here. Sometimes we interact with so much big files and folders, okay, with very big paragraphs, many statements, sentences. So it is difficult for us to find any word. If we want any word, so it is difficult for us to find any word, okay. So this is the best way by which we can find, okay, by which we can find any word, sentence or a statement. So for this, whichever word you want to find, write that word in the search box. For example, I have to find the word Ancient Egypt. Alright. So I will write over here the word Ancient Egypt. So here wherever it was written Ancient Egypt, that particular all the Ancient Egypts wherever it was written is marked with yellow color. It is highlighted with a yellowish color. Alright. So we can find the words, the sentences or statements by this way. This is the way. Okay. So I hope it's clear to you that how can we find any word, sentence or a statement. Now let us come to replace. How can we replace? Alright. So suppose I want to, we have find the word Ancient Egypt. We have find the word for Ancient Egypt. Alright. So we want to replace it from it. We have to replace Ancient Egypt from it. Alright. Let us replace. This word? No. Yes, this word we want to replace. Okay, replace. This word also we want to replace. No, this word not. So we will, if we don't want to replace any word, so we will click to find next. This word also we don't want to replace. So there were this much words only. Now over here, 1, 2, 3, you can see the changes that are given over here. Except this Ancient Egypt and this Ancient Egypt. All the Ancient Egypts are written as it. They are replaced as it. Instead of Ancient Egypt, they are replaced as it. The word it. So this was only all about that how can we find or replace any word, sentence or statement. Thank you. Thanks a lot.